Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So today we are looking at a coin called MOCA Network. I don't think that you may have heard about this coin, but I will be looking at it. So the reason that I'm looking at this coin as of now is that they have some important token unlocks. The first thing would be that, and another thing would be that it did actually really well back in the last Earth season. So it actually ended up hitting like 35 cent, and also it is available on the base network, and it already has a massive market cap of 300 million. So there's a pretty big possibility that this coin could actually find its way towards Coinbase or even Binance eventually, because it's a massive one, and it is available on Binance futures but not available on Binance spot. So I thought I should cover it because this coin has performed really well back in December, as you can see here. So let's look at it. So basically it is building the chain agnostic digital identity infrastructure for the open internet. So this is in the decentralized identifier, as you can see here, and it is as of now the third biggest one, followed by ENS and WLD, and after that we have Galax, but that has not found that much success. But this MOCA has been doing really well. Now this is their website, which is called MOCA Network. So if you just look here, they have a lot of things. As you can see here, you can basically it is a one identifier for every users, one network for all platforms. As you can see here, they have pretty big, I would say, investors that includes any MOCA brands. So I think that could actually push eventually the token could find its way towards big exchanges. And if you look here, MOCA has like 540 plus ecosystem of portfolio projects. So MOCA Network works with MOCA brands portfolio ecosystem of 540 companies. So basically they are the identifier for I think for these ecosystem projects or something like that. And if you look here, they have like 700 million plus addressable users. And if we look at their partners, there is my enemy list, which has like 18 million plus monthly active users. There is SK Planet, 28 million plus verified users. There is also one football, which has over 200 million monthly active users. So overall, I think this is really big one for them, and all of them are basically using the MOCA network. So I would say that's pretty good. Now users can do a lot of things. They can launch with their AirKit and other things. Now they also have their NFTs, MOCA ID. They also have Quest. As you can see, you can earn points and do a lot of things as well. So this is where you can also do the staking, and you can do the quest for different ecosystem tokens. And basically I think you can earn some airdrops as well, something like that. And you can also do the staking. You can also get their NFTs and do a lot of things. So basically this is, I would say, a pretty big project that is building around user reward and ID protocol. After that, this is how it looks like. So Zero Knowledge ME just joined MOCA chain, and they also had different news as well. Now it is from MOCAverse to MOCA Network, and it is just, I think, pretty big ecosystem, and that could be a really big one in the future. If we talk about the token itself, they also have MOCA chain. This is how it looks like. As you can see here, they have partnered with a lot of things that includes Sonium, which is, I think, Sony's layer 2. There is Bloom, OneFootball, SK Planet, and others as well. And even Open Campus is here, and their infrastructure partner, I would say, are pretty strong as well. So I would say overall they do have a pretty good ecosystem and pretty strong partners, and they are also into the finance, scamming, and other things. Now all of that is powered basically by the MOCA token. This is the omni-chain token that powers network infrastructure and growth. As of now, from my finding, it is available on basically based on Ethereum. As you can see here, it is the ecosystem token of the MOCA chain as well, and users can do a lot of things as well. As you can see, it has governance as a payment, and I believe there are also other things as a transaction fees as well. So there is also proof of loyalty that has to do with I think staking and other things. There is also growth suit as well and some other things as well. So it has a pretty good utility, I would say, and I think because of that the token does have a pretty high demand of like 300 million, which is a lot of market cap, I would say, considering it is not listed on most of the big exchanges. So I would say that is a massive market cap. Now if we talk about the token itself, it has a max supply of 8.8 billion, as you can see here, out of which they gave like 1.5 to the community sale, which was I believe public sale. After that, strategic partners get 13% network incentives. These are basically for the staking. 31, there is a team. 12, liquidity for the exchanges. 10% operational expenses, so they should be selling these to cover the operation cost. And there is LC plus advisors. I'm not sure who the LCs are, but again they do get like 7%. And there is then ecosystem and treasury like 20%. Now things get really interesting because the token basically came out back in July, as you can see here, and now these investors should have started to receive their tokens. Now if these investors or even the team, if they want to take some profit, I think they team's tokens are still locked, but the investors token should be unlocked now. So I think if they want to sell the token, they should have created some hype. So let's just look at it, and I think they should have created at least some of the liquidity. And as you can see here, they did create a liquidity because the token went from like 6.3 cent to as high as like 11 cent, and even as high as it's like what, it's like 9.1 cent. And as of now they will be receiving, I think, monthly they will be receiving tokens on a monthly basis. The supply is not that much, but still it's something that should actually put some stress on the coin in the long term. As of now, if you look here, the coin is in you can say in the downtrend ever since December. So as of now, I think if it breaks above this downtrend, things could change easily. So as of now, it needs to break above this downtrend, I think, and if it does do that, I think the things could actually change really easily, and the token could actually see a massive I would say massive demand as well, because as of now it has yet to be listed on other exchanges, and I think if it finds its way towards a big exchange, it could actually go up, or if they announce anything big, the token could actually go as high as 11 cent, or even if the demand continues, I would say like 16 cent. But the problem with this coin as of now is going to be the sell pressure that will be coming from the investors most likely. So that would be the only thing that could actually stop the coin. But besides that, I think it can go as high as 15 cent or higher than that if they see some kind of news, or if they announce any big partnership, or if they announce any big listing. Anyways, this was it. I hope you like the video, and if you want to enter into this coin, I would say the best entry again would be at its lowest support, which is going to be around 6 cent or even 6.1 or 6.2 cent. Anyways, this was it. I hope you like the video. I will be back. No, thanks for watching.